Hi, this is Ronnie, and welcome to my channel on how to kill a kit with style. If you look down below, you'll see links to a bunch of other scrapbookers that are going to be creating with their kit this month. This is a picture of my granddaughter Charlie, and my daughter had gave her and her sister both giant, really big puzzles. They covered my whole living room floor when they got put together. And she was asking me to help her, which of course I did. But I told her that she could probably do it without me. But after a few times helping those girls, they could just put them together in no time. But they weren't that confident at first. I'm going to use this 3x4 card here, only I'm going to, I guess, dress it up a little bit. It's going to be my title. And I'm going to put 2 cross stitches up on the G on the top left and 3 on the bottom of the L on the bottom right. And I thought about doing a little bit more, but then I thought, well, it's an odd number. Odd numbers always look good, no matter what. So I was going to go for the odd number and have 5 cross stitches on here, stitches on here. But yeah, and 5 don't take long either. There's perfect addition to your layout, and they don't take very long to add. I am going to gut this piece of black cardstock because I'm going to use that pink one there. I thought about using the feathers that's on the back. I really like that paper. I think it is so pretty, but it's kind of on the busy side, so it's kind of much to use for a solid back, for a solid, for a background. And this one is, well, it is kind of busy if you count all the lines on there, but it almost looks like a solid when you just glance at it. And I am going to use liquid glue. I like to line it up, then lay my arm on there and hopefully not move it, which most of the time I don't, and then go around with the liquid glue, and I do a lot better with it than I do the ATG. That ATG gun, it goes down and then you're fighting with it to get it straightened up. I did back this in that gold looking paper. It's a pattern paper. And then I turn around and use the black. I am going to use some of the gold color on my layout. And see here, I'm going to glue that right down on that doily. And after I do it, I think, oh, I should have backed it in black before I glued it down. But yeah, I did get the peace sign right this time. And she does have a peace sign on her shirt. And that's why I thought, oh, this would be great to use with this. Oh, I'm putting the rest of my title down now. And so it is going to say, girl, you've got this. And so those are going to be, a lot smaller letters. But I thought it'd look really good lined up right there across the bottom and not have big letters down there below it or something and just have them all on the card. I thought about doing my layout vertical too with the doily at the top and then the picture and then the 3x4 card, but it looked fine. I just thought I'd want a little bit different way to do it. But wouldn't that look good with black behind that peace sign? Even just the center part of it. Well, I guess maybe I could go ahead and gut it out and put black on there. But I was thinking if I did try to take that peace sign off, then I'd tear my doily to pieces and literally destroy it after using that liquid glue. But yeah, I could go ahead and gut it with my scissors or something and put black there. That would work, and then it match the other things on the page that has the black. And what am I doing now? I am adding little stickers. That yellow one, the gold yellow one, it says my happy place, and I wanted a little bit of pink, and it's it's kind of a raspberry pink. I wanted it on there, and so I just used a Q because I figured I'm not going to use a Q probably. I think it was a Q. That's what I'm thinking. It's been a couple weeks since I made this layout, but I know I picked a letter I would never use. That little circle, I'm not sure what it says, but I don't use it on the layout anyway. But I thought I'd cut it out in case I wanted it for something else. but I wanted those little flowers. So I am going to fussy cut a few out just to scatter around my layout. Of course, the best way to fussy cut is to hold your scissors pretty much still and then move the paper around. It gets in all the little grooves and valleys and mountains. It gets in all those little places that are hard to get to if you were moving your scissors all over the place. I am not going to put any of these on foam tape, I don't think. Let me look. No, I did put the title on foam tape. But I am not putting the picture on foam tape. But yeah, she's looking at me like, how you do this? And I said, you can do it. No, I need help. And yeah, of course I gave her help. And my grandson gave them help. Like I said, they a few times doing it with them, and they figured out what to do. They just needed, they didn't, I don't guess they ever worked a puzzle other than the wooden ones that I have here with the alphabet, which those go in a certain place. And the bigger puzzle, you need to do the outside first and then the inside to make better time at putting it together anyway. And once they learned to do that, they were a whiz at doing it. This arrow was a die cut, and I didn't cut the white part off. I decided that would be like a layer on here, and then I went ahead and backed it in the black. And oh, this circle was a sticker, and it's a floral, but I thought, it wouldn't go, it would blend in too much with the background. So I went ahead and took the scallop punch and punched out a black scallop circle, and then I put it on there, and then I put my arrow back on there, and I am going to put a puffy sticker. Well, I'm going to put a couple puffy stickers there. But yeah, see, those little flowers, they're a lot easier to fussy cut out if you just move around with your, the hand you're not cutting with. Mine, it is the left hand because I am right-handed. I I don't know what possessed me to do this, but I cut little bitty pieces on there. See me pulling all that release paper off there rather than just put one and leave it. It's not like it was a sticker and sticky or anything. I put a whole bunch of little pieces on there. I don't even know what I was thinking. I was probably watching TV and not thinking at all. That's what I'm figuring. This is a adorable little camera with another peace sign on it, and I am just layering it over to the side of the girl, and I am putting foam tape under it, but I'm going to put another puffy sticker there and some enamel dots in a little while. The puffy stickers that I'm putting up there with the peace sign on the left is a cloud, because I thought I need some black up there, and it's mostly gray, but there's a few little smudges of black on there, so that was the limit of my black. And I also put one that kind of looks like a mandala or an orange slice, one or the other. Yeah, I'm done again. That's it. That's my layout. But be sure to check out everybody down below and see what they're doing with their kit this month. Loads of inspiration down there. And if you stick around to the end of the pictures of the close-ups, you will see where I just now went in there and pulled that doily up and put black behind it. Let me know which one you like the best, with the black or without the black, because I kept thinking I need some black up there, but you can see a tiny bit there on the cloud, but it just wasn't enough for me. You'd think I would have turned that over. That is kind of on the side. But yeah, that's it. That's my layout. And here's where I added black behind the doily. And I like it better, considering I have black behind the picture and black down there on the 4x6 card too. But yeah, there's my layout with the black, because I just kept thinking, I got to check that out and see if I like it better or not. And I do like it better. But let me know if you do or not. But thank you all so very much for watching, taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate it. And if you leave a comment below, I will get back with you. Maybe not right away because, yeah, internet problems still. But if you like my video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you who already are, thank you so much. But have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.